everyone, something very different today. You remember old Cylonface here with its lackluster handle. This is factory. I can find old pictures of these with this same exact handle. And while I like it, I've seen some people wrap this handle, sort of like you wrap a hockey stick, or I've seen people do cord on this just to dress it up a little bit. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try to make a wooden overlay for this using my wood lathe. One of my favorite things lately is to take raw lumber that's fallen down on the property and make it into something useful. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. So I'm going to take you with me on this tour to make one of these. We'll see how it goes. So things start over here at my little meager wood pile. A lot of these things have fallen down on the property and I go and chop them up with my chainsaw. So I think we'll pick a nice piece of wood here. Let's see. It's been drying for about a year, even though the end is all muddy and disgusting. So it's a pretty gross piece of wood, but let's see if we can make something cool out of it. Okay, using this thing, which is called a bandsaw, I'm going to rip this log down to, something a bit more usable. Cut off all the dirty parts. Then from there, we're going to head over to this right here, which is called a wood lathe. And we'll be doing what's called wood turning. And I'm going to turn this ugly thing, hopefully, into a beautiful wooden cylinder. Then we'll head over to the drill press here. I'm going to try to drill a 7/8 inch hole down the center of the piece of wood. So this is going to be quite dangerous. I think the drilling is probably going to be where things are going to go wrong. So here's our new piece. It looks pretty cool. It's tight. Come on. Get on there. Ah! Wow. And there we have it. Wow, look at that. So we'll let this settle a bit and maybe put some varnish on it, some outdoor varnish, or maybe just put some more of that wax polish. Wow, is that tight? I was going to glue this on there, but I don't know, looks kind of interesting. I don't know if it looks better, but I love that this was a tree. So here's your final close-up. See all the grain in there? I think that's some sort of oak, if I had to guess. So Cylonface has a little more character, thanks to Mother Nature. Thanks for watching.